Hi everyone! Before we start this video, I want to give a shout out to today's sponsor. YouTube Grower is my current management team that helps me grow my YouTube, and they monitor my analytics to ensure my channel is operating at its fullest potential. I can tell you firsthand that if you have any questions or concerns at all, they're always there. They've always helped me. Go check out their website, see what they have to offer, and click on Contact Us if you have any questions. Just make sure and tell them that Danielle sent you from YouTube, and that way you can receive some extra goodies. So as I mentioned in all of my videos, I'm so thankful that you're here. If you're new, my name is Danielle and I make motivational cleaning videos as well as videos that are related to my lifestyle. I'm most active on Instagram, so be sure and follow me there. I try my best to follow back and interact with my followers because I enjoy seeing each of your photos, building relationships, and obviously making new friends. You can find my Instagram handle in my description box below, as well as any other information you may need. So before I start cleaning, we're going to start off by getting our 5-ingredient chili on the stove. So I do start with almost 4 pounds of hamburger, and I just ground that up and brown it, and then I'm going to drain the grease out of it. Once I am done with that, I'm going to throw the Williams seasoning into the pan. This is the 4-pound seasoning, and it is so good, so you definitely want to make sure that you have that. I'm also using 2 cans of stewed tomatoes, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and 2 cans of chili beans. These are the chili beans that are already in the chili sauce, so these are my favorite. So basically what you're going to do is just brown all your meat, drain it, and then throw everything in one pot. Set your stove on low and let it simmer for as long as you want. This is crock pot friendly, so feel free to put it in the crock pot if you prefer. But when I cook in the crock pot, I do brown my hamburger on the stove first and drain the meat.
And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Get it right. I still have you on my side, staying night after night, 'cause you're mine. 'Cause it's just my habits, and I can't describe it.
When you're done adding in all of the ingredients into one pot, make sure that you stir it up really, really well. You're going to put it on low and you're going to cover it. This is so that nothing splashes out should it start to boil. Also, it kind of keeps it protected from residues that may come up in the air. So just make sure that you cover it. It'll also heat faster this way and cook all the way through. So while our chili is slow cooking on the stove, I'm going to go ahead and do the dishes and clean up the rest of the kitchen. I'm also going to clean out the refrigerator and make sure that it's organized because stuff just gets thrown in there. I have 3 kids and a husband, so it's not maintained very well, and you'll see that. So basically, once I get through cleaning the kitchen, I'm going to show you how I put together my chili and what goes on top of it. I'm also going to cook up some noodles to go with it, which are completely optional. So keep watching, and we'll see the chili at the end.
I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes.
Y'all always like to comment how my dogs like to help me clean, and you are absolutely right, especially the black and white one. Her name is Sasha. She will lick the dishes anytime that I'm doing the dishwasher, which I don't mind because it sanitizes for the most part. And then if you ever see her chasing down the vacuum cleaner, it's because she's trying to bite it. Now I'm just going to do the remainder of the dishes by hand. This is the Mrs. Meyer scent in Snowdrop. This is a holiday scent. This particular scent, as of today when I'm editing this, cannot be purchased on the website. You can, however, get the other holiday scents on their website. You can find my affiliate link in the description box below. If you order through me, you do get some extra goodies by spending $20 or more. If you just go to Target and get the Snowdrop scent, it is $3.99 per item. Just know that if I'm recommending something to you, my reputation means a lot to me, and I would never, ever, ever recommend anything to you guys if I haven't used it myself and loved it. So if you want to use my link, it's down below. Go get you some extra goodies. I am 100% certain that you will love the Mrs. Meyer's stuff just like I do.
And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light.
I would love to hear in the comments below what your favorite thing to clean is, or what your favorite thing to watch someone else clean is. My favorite thing to watch someone else clean is the kitchen sink, and I love it when you get it all soapy and then you wipe it down and it's all shiny. To me, that's just so satisfactory. But my favorite thing to clean is when I vacuum, because it is instant gratification. So I just love to vacuum, and then the sound that the vacuum makes I love too, because it's picking up all the dirt and you can hear it. So call me weird if you want to, but that's my favorite thing. So let me know what your favorite thing is in the comments below. I am so excited to read these.
I've got 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why you won't tell me why you won't. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again. I've got 30 seconds if you wanna pick your price. Don't ask for forgiveness, 'cause you know I'm not that type. You know you had me good, but now I can't look into your eyes. Oh baby, just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why you won't tell me why you won't. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again.
So here's a quick fun fact for you, or maybe it's boring, I don't know. But anyways, I've had this knife set for 8 years, just as long as I've been married, and I've yet to replace it, and I can't stand this knife set anymore. I have worn it out. I've sharpened them over and over and over again. So if you guys know of a good knife set, especially if it's on Amazon, because I am an Amazon freak, let me know, because I need some new ones, but I want to make sure that I can trust them and keep them for another 8 years, because knives aren't something that I replace very often. So let me know in the comments below if you know of a good knife set, or what you think would be a really pretty color for my kitchen.
Now you've seen it for yourself, and you would. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again.
I get a lot of questions on these cereal containers. So they're plastic, but they come apart, so they're easy to clean. They each hold a box of cereal as well, just a normal standard size box of cereal, and it keeps your cereal from going stale because it's sealed on top, but it's also sealed on the bottom. And then, like I said, they easily come apart for cleaning, which you can see here. My kids don't like to shut the boxes like they're supposed to, so the cereal would get stale. So this was a very nice alternative to that, and they love it. But anyways, I got these on Amazon, and if you want the direct link, I think they were $25, maybe just a little bit less than that. If you go to my Instagram, my Instagram name is in my description box. If you click on that and then click on my link in my bio and click on my Amazon favorite things, it will take you to these cereal containers. And if you buy them, tag me in it, because I love seeing what you guys purchase that I have in my home and that I love. And I love interacting with you on there. If you comment down below, I will put you in my Instagram stories. So it's kind of like a shout out. I do a screen record, and I will thank you for your comments, and everyone that is following me will see them. So anyways, if you're interested in anything that you see, if I have a link to it, it is provided in my link in my bio on my Instagram.
I'll let you win. I'll let you win. Hey. I'm taking my toothbrush. How does that feel? Tell me how this can't be real. You're talking in riddles. Just let it go. And trust me if you love me so. It just isn't worth my time to try to make you believe me when you don't believe me. This is where I draw the line and pretend that I'm leaving. This is me leaving. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. You're more to me than just a friend. I'm telling you, I'm not doing this again. I'll let you win. I'ma let you win. Yeah. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space.
Now that the kitchen is clean and the refrigerator is clean and organized, I'm going to go ahead and start on my cornbread. This is just the sweet yellow cornbread that you can find in your grocery store. It's about 99 cents depending on where you're at. It could be like a little bit more than that, maybe even a little bit less than that. Anyways, I just prepare it based on the instructions that are on the back of it, throw it in the oven at 400 degrees for 17 to 22 minutes, and once it's done, I will show you how to prepare the chili.
Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
We don't normally eat noodles with our chili, but this particular night my husband had requested them, so this is completely optional. So basically I put the extra big elbow macaroni noodles on the bottom, the chili on top, and then I put sour cream and shredded cheddar cheese on it, and I just served this with cornbread. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notifications so that you're informed when I upload a new video, because I upload every Monday and Friday. day. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your week.